Hello, I'm Nancy Stripe, a global artist for L'Oréal Professionnel, owner of Stripe Colour Studio in Manchester. This is first blending from our new service, French blending. My client has a greater amount of grey around the face and in patches around her head. We're going for a lived-in colour, easy to maintain and with a natural fade. As it's her first time colouring her hair, my client doesn't want to commit to monthly root retouch. We want to blend the greys by adding more pepper to the salt. Here I'm selecting the targeted areas and sectioning accordingly. For a seamless regrowth, it's really important to use the right formula. I'm mixing a Dia Colour Shade 8 with a 15-volt developer. I'm using Dia Colour as it fades the most naturally. I'm working with a vertical waving technique to create a multi-dimensional effect and avoid any harsh lines, matching the natural flow of the hair. I'm using foils and I'm teasing the hair softly to avoid strong fading when her hair grows out. Again, I'm using the vertical waving technique, carefully selecting the greys to softly blend them into her natural hair. On the back section, I'm mixing a Dia Colour Shade 7 and 8 with a 15-volt developer. I'll neutralise her lengths and ends with a global application of Dia Light 8.1. Shampoo the hair with Vitamino Colour Spectrum. First blending is designed for new clients who want to add contrast to their greys without covering them all, ensuring soft regrowth. French blending is the new, innovative pro way to cover.